Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. Thank you for tuning in today for a long overdue trade breakdown. I've been trying to film this for over a week, but I've been having a little bit of technical difficulties on my laptop. So anyway, today is the 16th of May, which hopefully I can upload this video today. And let's actually break down this trade from last week, the 9th of May on a Friday, where I caught a really cool scalp trade during Asia, ran about 380 pips thereabouts. Could have run a bit more, but I closed a bit early just based on personal preference. So yeah, let's break down the trade. I'll jump into replay mode and we'll check out how I caught this 4.92 risk to reward trade with, relatively tight stop loss given the price action of recent. And yeah, let's just have a look at how this trade unfolded. So I shall go replay and let's go to there. Now we're just using the 15-minute time frame for now because I find it's pretty good. Now with this particular Asia strategy or Asia approach, I usually like to mark out the high of New York and the low of New York, which would have been about here. So we had a big sell-off in the New York session. So realistically, I would ideally like to look for a continuation sort of play and approach to New York. And by that, I mean I would like to ideally see a sweep these lows, and realistically, we're probably not going to sweep these highs. So I'd like to see it go below these lows. Potentially, we could reverse further back up into the position and run higher, but I'm not 100% certain on that at this time. So what I wanted to do was to see how we play post Asia open. So we had the 8 a.m., 9 a.m. candles, let that run through. Now, how this Asia strategy I enjoy it to unfold is personally by looking at the 10 a.m. hourly close, which if we close the hour bullish, then 11 a.m. for Brisbane time where I am will be, so adjust that to whatever time, will be bearish. So here we go. The 10 a.m. close was hourly closed bullish, and we now have a decent spot to enter. We have a rejection from this 50 level EMA, and yeah, this was realistically the spot to enter as well. We can actually draw a fib from here to there, and shows that we've touched the 38.2 level twice and then rejected. So we've got quite a few levels of confluence to stack. We have trading in between this New York low to high range, and we're aiming to sweep the resting liquidity that's sitting around here. So let's see how the trade unfolds, but essentially this is the approach, this is the play. We have good level of stop loss here because we do have this high that's been made here at the start of Asia. So yes, 10 a.m. candle to recap, close bullish. So we're expecting the 11 a.m. to then go bearish to then sweep New York lows. And obviously, she plays pretty dang well. So within an hour from entry, we've had completion of the trade, managed to catch 4.92 R, absolutely stunning, incredible trade. And obviously, as we see, price does retrace the entire move, having done that sweep, and we do have the whole move. And if we hadn't closed the position at about 383 pips, then we would have been stopped out realistically at break even or hit stop loss if we didn't manage well. So it's always good and key to have good risk management and always trail your stops as much as you can, or at least leave it at break even at a minimum. My normal rule is once you hit 150 pips profit, straight break even. You can always do that earlier, it just depends on your risk tolerance, but yeah, as you can see, the remainder of the trade played out, and obviously there could have been option for another entry there, but personally I was out and about that particular Friday, so I didn't have a chance to re-enter, but had a hard take profit set there, took it out, happy days, really good trade. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this trade breakdown. It's not the longest video, but it's a good little idea of how I caught this really good Asia scalp and a little insight to my Asia trading strategy, which really is incredibly effective when used properly and when you are able to stack confluences like I showed you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe for more trade breakdowns, and I'll try and do as many as possible with every single trade I take, including losses, wins, etc. So, yeah, thank you very much. Appreciate your time to watch this, and hope you enjoy and subscribe for more. Thank you.